In summary, what are your thoughts on grading math assessments using points, and what are your thoughts on standards based grading? So that is Philip's question. So, what do you think, Jonathan?
A lot of these ideas that are in schools right now to hide the negative aspects of assessments. Instead of trying to fix the initial problem and help kids do better on the assessments and learn the material better, we've changed the assessments to hide some of the negative things. So things like the idea that grades are permanent and the idea of moving to grades that are like 4, 3, 2, 1, or some districts use secure, developing, needs improvement, those kind of ideas are all to kind of hide the negative and get kids to focus on the learning. What it did in the long term was erase the idea of what a grade actually means. So whether it's a 4, 3, 2, 1 or secure, developing, needs improvement, you ask a parent how a kid's doing in math, they have no idea. That middle grade of developing or a 2 and a 3 is so wide that you don't know if your kid lands in the area, you don't know, are they closer to the needs improvement or are they closer to being secure? And those two extremes have a life-changing difference depending on where you're at. So you can get to the end of the year and been in developing the entire year, and then you get to the end of the year, you've never made it to secure. And as a parent, you have no idea why your kid didn't make it to secure. So I think there's a whole lot of problems with this. And what we're seeing at the high school level now is that you've got a large group of kids who don't know their basic facts. They don't know how to do any of the operations with fractions, and they can't do anything with word problems. It doesn't matter what school you go to. High school teachers are going to tell you there's a problem. Even middle school teachers are going to tell you that's the problem. And part of that is because of the grading system we have doesn't hold anybody accountable or that knowledge accountable.